Hi guys, nice to see you again. Today I'm going to teach you about math again. Well, today's lesson is going to be very easy. So today's lesson is adding and subtracting. Ooh, how exciting. And kind of little adventure for us. So let's get to it. We have our calculations here. So the first one is going to be, let's see. Okay, it means that it's 56,207. Add means plus with 7,894. There. Next one, let's try to subtract it this time. There's another subtraction. But first, let's just do this. So, first we'll put them in order straight together. No offense at all. So, now we'll add them together. So, 7 plus 4 equals 11. We write 1 and remember 1. And next one is that 0 plus 9 equals 9. But we remember one more is 10. But we'll just write 10 and remember 1 again. Like that. You see, we'll write it again. And then you could put the 1 on the head. And then next is 2 plus 8 equals 10. But we remember 1 is 11. Write 1, remember 1 again. Wow, this is hard work than I thought. So we just need to remember. So next one is going to be that after we remember this, now is 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, it's going to be equal 50. But we subtract 1, so that means that we remember 1. We'll just plus 1 more. Oops. That means that 13 I mean. And then we'll just plus 1 more. So that means 14. Here we come. Next one is going to be, we'll remember 1 more. But there's nothing to plus with 5. So we'll just add 1 like that. Next one is a subtraction. So 78,460 minus 4,978. So let's find out. So first, it's like the ones that we did. Put them in the straight line like we just said. After that, let's do the subtraction together, but in another way. So, 0 we can't minus with 8. So, we'll borrow 1. So, that equals to 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2. But 2, we have to remember 1. That means that later we're going to minus 1. So, you see? So, now, we'll just X marks the spots. Marks not 0 anymore, but turn to 10. And 6 is turned to 5. So after that, we'll subtract this, okay? After that, we'll turn 1 more because this one's a remember run. So we'll remember 1 more. So let's do it together now. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. And then 5 means we borrow 1 more is 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 because we already remember 1, so we don't need to minus anymore. So now it's 4, but we'll turn it to 13 because we remember 1. After that, we'll take 13 and minus with 9. That means it's 4. And next is going to be 7 minus with 8. Oops, I mean 7 minus with 4 actually. Because 8 we remember 1. So that means that we're going to minus it. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And 7 here has no rememberings. So we'll just write 7 again. That's how. Next one we go. Ooh, this table shows the popularity of 3 cities. There are lots of cities. The first one, let's call it A, second B, and C. So this one's a lot. But How do we find the differences between the largest popularity and the smallest popularity? Let's find out. So, this one's definitely the largest because it has more numbers. And what about the smallest popularity? So we as answer. It's going to be B because B is another small number. You see? Very simple. But we could do the subtraction too. And it asks that the largest popularity is smaller and the smallest popularity. How many more does the popularity of the smallest one need? So we'll have to take the largest, that means the 236,897, and minus it with 50,550. There. When we minus this, we'll subtract it. You see? Subtracting is fun. So after you make the lines like that, we'll do it one by one. So let's just say this one is 113, but it's going to be some others. So let's try some numbers. So we always start with the bottom one. So 7 minus 0 equals 7. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 6 minus 0 equals 6. But here is 3 minus 5. We can't do it, so we have to use 13 minus 5 equals 8. So now we remember 1, 2 is not any more useful. So 1, we'll add that. So well done, guys. We have completed the lesson. I hope I see you next time, guys. Bye.